Let's play some Grand Theft Auto 5 in my Xbox 360. This is a coordinately monthly test on the emergency alert system, originating from the EAS local primary station for the Vion City area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been a natural emergency, such as a tornado warning, toxic material release, nuclear plant incident, or other state or local emergencies that affects your safety, official messages would have followed the alarm tone. This station serves the Vion City area. This concludes this test on the emergency alert system. All stations may now resume local programming. What the absolute fuck? The emergency alert system just had to interrupt me in the middle of my game. That's just bonkers. That's it. I'm going to kill that fuckwit who's responsible for this monkey fight action.
Darkbone Charlie the Anteater Jr., I don't know what on earth are you angry about, but you need to shut the damn up and quit whining like a little moron. It really agitates me when you're complaining about tons of crap.
Oh, for crying out loud, Dad, I don't have time for your jokes of foolishness right now. I'm literally mad at this moment.
When Darkbone Charlie the Anteater Jr. got to the EAS studio.
Young man, what the heck are you doing here? And why do you have a gun in front of my face? Go shut your pie hole and don't move a muscle, you scully pillock. This is what you get for ruining my game of Grand Theft Auto 5 in my Xbox 360. So I'm going to kill you right now. Oh my freaking god. Darkbone Charlie the Anteater Jr. Why did you try to kill me in the first place? You know that it's considered as attempted murder, and it can get you into prison. That does it. I'm going to give you a beating for attempting to kill me. Oh no. I better run.
It sure is a great day to have a walk.
Help me. Somebody.
What's the problem there, Darkbone Charlie the Anteater Jr.?
I got an emergency alert system reporter chasing after me to beat me up.
Not to worry, Darkbone Charlie the Anteater Jr. You can come into my house where it's safe, so we can go to my room and lock the doors.
Okay. Hey, the door is locked. I'll need some plans to break in. Oh, I think he's with Dark Ecuador. I'll get inside and beat both of them up.
Quick. In my room.
Phew, that was close.
I know. Anyways, what do you want to do now?
Let's watch all the Loud House Season 5 episodes.
Okay.
Several hours later, after watching all the Loud House Season 5 episodes.
Those were some fantastic episodes. Well, almost all of them though.
I know, right? Our favorite episode has to be Ghosted, where the ghost of Shank's bogey tortured Laura Loud. Fa 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 fa.
What was that?
It's the emergency alert system reporter. He broke into your house. I don't think we're alone anymore.
Wait. Did you hear that?
It sounds like the emergency alert system reporter is coming upstairs to your room. So we better not. Gosh darn it. I spoke too soon. Oh, I'm afraid you have. And Dark Ecuador. I can't believe you helped Dark Bone Charlie the Anteater Jr. hide into your house and into your room. That's it. Both of you. Prepare for your beatings to come along.
Oh bust. Now we're getting beaten up. Looks like it's pain time for us.
That hurts a lot more.
Agreed there. It's painful.
Hey! What the heck is going on in here?
Well, Dark Bone Charlie the Anteater Jr. tried to kill me again, then I chased after him. And then, your son Dark Ecuador helped Dark Bone Charlie the Anteater Jr. hide into his room. I beat them up for what they did. Can you ground him for that?
Okay. Thanks for telling us about that emergency alert system reporter.
And as for you Dark Bone Charlie the Anteater Jr., go home right now, while I call your parents. And if you think about attempting to kill me again, then it's prison time, for you. Hello? Dark Bone Charlie the Anteater Jr.'s parents? Your son just tried to kill me with a gun. Can you ground him for this please? Okay. Thanks. Goodbye. Don't worry. I called Dark Bone Charlie the Anteater Jr.'s parents, so they would ground him for this.
Thank you, emergency alert system reporter. You're free to go back to the EAS studio. Dark Ecuador. We can't believe you helped Dark Bone Charlie the Anteater Jr. hide into your room and got beaten up by the emergency alert system reporter. That's it. You're grounded for a month.
Now get up off the floor and go straight to bed.
At Dark Bone Charlie the Anteater Jr.'s house.
Dark Bone Charlie the Anteater Jr., we just got a call from the emergency alert system reporter. He said that you tried to kill him with a gun. Why did you try to kill the emergency alert system reporter?
Because he interrupted me in the middle of Grand Theft Auto 5. So that's why I tried to kill him to death, but he was able to prevent that from happening.
We don't care about that. No excuses, young man. You literally tried to commit murder, which would have led you to prison. You better be lucky that you didn't. That's it, mister. For attempted murder, you're grounded for 2 months.
Now head upstairs to your room and think about what you tried to do today.